Okay, we go into the inbox, and in the inbox, whenever you click on something, it shows the message area. I now have a little button here for a little house. And whenever you click on that house, you can choose which property you want to link this to. Maybe Frampton. In Frampton, it may have a listing, a transaction, or a project assigned to it. So you could just tag it to the house itself, or if you want to tag it to a particular transaction, listing, or project, you can pick that. In this case, maybe I'll pick a listing. At that point, then it says messages about that address. So now, whenever I go to any one of these, if they have an address, if they're linked to a property, I can see what property they're talking about in that conversation. And if I click on that property, it'll take you to that property or listing or transaction, whatever it's about. So it takes you to the right area. And we have a new inbox piece here, which shows you all the conversations about that particular piece. So I am still kind of working through this, but this just got released today, actually 20 minutes ago. So for those that don't see that feature on your screen, something in the past, I've told you guys just come up here and hit the little refresh once or twice. A better solution that I found, ran into a challenge and actually came across this. I didn't realize myself that you could do this. On your keyboards, if you hold down your Command, Shift, and R, Command, Shift, R, or if you're on a Windows, Control, Shift, R, Command, Shift, R for Mac, Control, Shift, R for Windows, it will do a full reset basically of that screen. So, and reload the app itself. So it makes it, you don't have to click on that once or twice. You just do this one time and it makes sure that it's got the most recent release of any web app software that is available. To answer your question, is that what you were looking for, Michael?
Yeah, that's great. I mean,
Okay.
really great.
If you select the wrong address, or you want it, maybe you selected the property, but you decided you wanted to move to the transaction, you can just click on the house again, reselect it however you want, whatever new property or whatever. And then from that point forward, it will be connected to that piece. So it no longer is connected to the other property. It's now connected to this new property or listing or transaction. So I leave this house on here so that you can reselect it, but you just click on the actual property address to actually see it. So a property has an inbox if it's just connected to just the property, or each listing, if you've got multiple listings, as you go through time, each listing that you relist it at, you can click on the add listing, then those conversations for older listings will be in the older listing section, not the current listing section. So it keeps them all tied together and keeps them organized in a much better way. Surprise and delight. Was that a surprise?
Yeah, that's a good one. I really appreciate that.
Good, good, good.